Welcome to Pimpy's Investment Chat, where we keep investment talk simple. And here's your host, Pimpy.
What is going on out there, peeps? All right, so last night I started watching cryptos crash. And actually, they've been dropping now for a couple, 3 consecutive days. And like I tell people, look, if you're going to invest in the cryptocurrencies, you better have a strong heart. They have these weird swings. But what we notice about cryptocurrencies is they will go up, they will make a new record high, they will drop down 70, 80% of their value, turn around, and fly right back up to new record highs. So when you buy these cryptos, just hold on to them. That's all you do. Don't panic. Don't sit there and think about how much money you think you lost. You only lose it once you sell the crypto. So if you just hold on to it, don't panic. Everything will rebound. Before we get started, hit the thumbs up button, because when you do, it helps us get past the algorithm that YouTube puts on us and keeps us from being shadow banned. If you're not a subscriber, please do so, because when you do, it helps out the channel, and I surely do appreciate it. The disclaimer here is I'm not a financial advisor, a lawyer, or an accountant. The information that I share with you, I do freely. It is of my own opinion. Hey folks, just a quick reminder that back in 2008 and 9, a lot of people lost all of their retirement savings in their 401ks and IRAs because they did not own gold and silver. Yeah, that's right. Gold and silver protects you from a market crash. So do yourself a favor, protect your retirement by purchasing gold and silver. You can go to moneymetals.com, reach out to them, and they will help you set yourself up to protect you and your family from having to start all over from scratch. If you're a first-time buyer and you spend more than $100, use promo code Pimpy, P-I-M-P-Y, and they will send along with your order a free half ounce of silver. So folks, do yourself a favor, head on over to moneymetals.com and protect you and your family from a market crash, as well as inflation. That's right, head on over to Money Metals when you want to buy gold and silver. Keep in mind, if you're a first-time buyer and you spend more than $100, use promo code Pimpy, P-I-M-P-Y, and you will get a free half ounce of silver. Hey, right now, a special offer for my audiences only. You have a chance to win 100 free American Silver Eagles. That's over $3,000 in value. And all you have to do is enter your email to win. That's it. That's right, there's no obligations to purchase. The link is down below in the description, so head on over there, enter to win. You have between now and December 31st of this year to enter. The only way you can for sure not win 100 silver American Eagles is by not entering at all. So do yourself a favor and enter your email so you have a chance to win. People keep asking me, where is the link, Pimpy? It's real simple. If you're at my page on YouTube and you're watching any of the videos, any of them, you see the video here and you scroll down, see my name right here? If you go here where it says show more and you click it, here's all the links to the things you have access to. If you want to enter into the competition to win 100 free medals, just click it right here and it'll take you to the website where you can sign up. For those of you looking for my address, there it is right here. As everyone is aware of an alternative website, the link is down below in the description. Over here, I post original content as well as other videos that have been banned from YouTube. It costs $3 a month to join for unlimited access, and all proceeds go to finding life's purpose. So come on over there and join us. Beware of scammers. That's right, people posing and pretending to be me. How you can tell us apart is real simple. If you post a comment and I respond, you will see a dark circle around my name. See this? It's either gray or black. I won't be sending you to WhatsApp, and I won't be sending you to Telegram or Telegraph or anything like that, nor would I be asking you for money. From time to time, I will be using material that's considered copywritten. I post this just to show that I am exercising my fair use rights. You see gold and silver in the positive. They keep getting a pretty good hit, and then all of a sudden they rebound pretty quick. To see silver below 25 is kind of disappointing, but it looks like it's starting to get right back up there again. Go to around 1863.90. They're posed to take off. I still stick to my prediction. You'll see silver somewhere between $28, $30 an ounce by the end of the year. Gold somewhere between 2,000 and 2,200. Bitcoin, what happened? Seriously, it's down almost, over $10,000 since it set its new record high. That's a pretty big drop considering all these so-called big major institutions are investing into Bitcoin. Could it be that they're heading down to where they predicted for the shorts? We're going to find out. Ethereum recovering. They had dropped down a little bit, but they're still about 600 off its all-time high. Solano's up 7%. Cardano's up 4.3%. XRP, the New World Order coin, is up 2%. Polkadot up 6.47%. Dogecoin, it's up 4.3%. But looky here. All those people talking crap and panicking over Shiba. I told you guys, just hang tight. It did drop down pretty low, and then turn around and rebounded just a little bit. So it got down, and where was this? About, 42? So 4042. And it is now back up to 4051. There's too much for people to lose here. There is a mission of the Shiba army trying to push this thing to 1 cent. And they're still determined, and they're still on a mission. So they haven't stopped. Just because you see the coin go down, that's just people grabbing their bags and selling them, trying to grab some quick profits. That's fine. Let them do so. They'll miss out on the bigger gains. So most all the cryptos are in the green, with the exception of Bitcoin, but I have a feeling you're going to start seeing Bitcoin rebound here real quick. Looking at the 52-week average, you can see Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, still near the top of their 52-week average high. So you can see Veracity is up 7.4%. It's around 6 cents, still down from that 8 cents. Satoma has been cruising around in the red for a little bit here. Now you can see these are some major drops when you add them all up. But you can see where it was down here. It had dropped pretty low compared to what it is now. And then all of a sudden went up. Satoma sitting around, 7065. So it's up 17.2%. I'm just letting mine sit there. I'm accumulating a crazy amount of reflections. Sandbox, look at this. It might be down 2.26%, but look at it. It's at $4.18. It was sitting around, what was that, the 224 mark? The last time we talked about it, but look at this, over the past 7 days. This is at the 258 mark. And like I said, it's currently at the, the 419? Why is Sandbox going up? Why is Avalanche going up? And remember I told you that guy in the video, he was saying that he invested a lot of money into a fund, and he wouldn't tell everybody what it was. He was on that Stansberry interview with Danella. Paxos is what he's talking about. Sandbox, Paxos are all part of that metaverse that's being created. And this is why their tokens are going up. They play a key role in the gaming part of all this. The Fed has lost control of inflation. Yeah, I would say so. They've been lying to us all this time. The chief economist of investment bank, Stifel, has said that the Fed has lost control of inflation in a conversation which alludes to the 1970s, referred to as the decade of inflation. So it should be no surprise that the Feds have lost control of inflation. You see, the only way you can help lower inflation is by raising interest rates. And how's the Feds going to raise interest rates when they're talking about giving out stimulus again? That's just more money. The dollar is dead. All that is crap money that you need to take and invest into real money like gold and silver. The Feds are in a no-win situation. They have no choice but to revalue gold and silver. There's no doubt. Well, gold anyways. So like I said, hopefully you guys are protecting yourself and you are holding on to gold because we are that close. The dollar is dead. And you can tell by the inflation when you go to buy food how much everything costs. You can see the markets artificially pumped because it's a dead dollar. What Facebook's metaverse means for crypto, yeah, it means a lot. Facebook recently rebranded its Meta platform to signal its new focus on building the metaverse. Meta platform also has cryptocurrency projects underway. So the idea for the metaverse has been building momentum for years, but Facebook's decision to rebrand as Meta platform has catapulted the tech concept into mainstream consciousness. Seemingly every media outlet around is talking about the metaverse and how it could change our lives forever. You know what, they could pump all that stuff, but what they mean change our lives forever is that's just more control, especially with Facebook. We already learned that Facebook and that organization, especially Mark Zuckerberg, is nobody we can trust at all. But the metaverse, this idea of a digital world that embodies the internet itself accessible via a virtual reality headset. Yeah, so in other words, escape your crappy life, go live in a fake one in a virtual world. Extends far beyond video games, shared experiences via the web. Meta Platform also has cryptocurrency plans in its works as further entrenchment of the digital world in everyday life will also rewrite the script on what it means to purchase and own something. So those cryptos that are involved with Facebook this early in the game, you're really going to see them benefit. Sandbox, by the way, is one of those tokens. Also, this is what I'm talking about. Look at this. The digital wallet pilot program will use the stablecoin Paxos. Remember I told you that guy was talking about Paxos? So he's invested in the fund, not a stablecoin, but in a fund that's controlled by Paxos. Paxos is part of this metaverse and partners with Coinbase Global to enable a small batch of users in the US and Guatemala to make peer-to-peer cross-border money transfers known as remittances. The remittance industry handles hundreds of billions of dollars per year and is highly profitable. So it says, and Novi hopes to speed up the process and moving money between family members along with cost savings for now. Novi will be free to use. So it's free to use for now. By the way, as you can see, Ethereum is a big part of it as well. This is a patchwork of other interoperable blockchains like Ethereum apps, like those built by the likes of Unity software, and infrastructure like semiconductors designed by Nvidia. So here's the thing, these semiconductors, they're having problems with these things, so I don't know what they're going to do. So Sandbox, Veracity, Paxos, Ethereum are the tokens so far that seem to be benefiting from this metaverse. They'll continue. It's just getting started. Those coins will take off. Something's going on with XRP. We noticed that a lot of their developers are dumping their XRP holdings. And there's proof of this. So I'm wondering what's really going on with XRP and why are their developers dumping their holdings? If anybody knows the answer to that, let me know. Because it seems to me like people seem to be bailing on XRP. That's surprising to me considering they are the new world order coin. So Ethereum is in the positive. By the way, Solana is another one of those on the metaverse. Go Shiba, go. Look at this, now 20%. So what do we notice about cryptocurrencies? They get a new high. You could drop 60, 70% of its value, 80%, then turn around and fly back up to a new high. Time becomes the first major media organization to hold Ethereum on the balance sheets. Somebody didn't do spell check, it looks like here. Time Media's organization. There you go. Long-standing media giant Time Magazine has become the first leading media organization to hold Ethereum on its balance sheets. So it looks like they're getting into Ethereum. A well-respected publication committed to holding Ethereum after foregoing a first-of-its-kind partnership with digital asset investment group Galaxy Digital in a deal that will see the launch of the newly created Time 100 company's metaverse. Oh, everybody going to the metaverse. This feels like a trap. Which features entrepreneurs building a more immersive virtual future. Galaxy Digital financed the partnership with Ethereum, making the first time a major media organization such as Time has accepted Ethereum as payment for services. This launch into the metaverse, all those coins that have been the chosen ones are obviously going to be benefiting from this, and you're going to see their values take off. So you are now in the early stages of this. Be smart and pay attention to those cryptos that are all involved in the metaverse. I will pull up a list of coins for you guys on the next video and show you which ones are all involved with the metaverse. Those I would suggest would most likely be the coins you will focus on. By the way, Satoma is now being mentioned in the metaverse as well. As we know, Sandbox is definitely one of the coins, and they took off. Look at them. That's just in the last month. So far, so good on these tokens I've been playing with. But definitely Shiba, Satoma is what I'm focusing on. Like I said, Satoma, all I have to do is just leave my coins there and they accumulate. That's just earning money. Just for what? Sitting there. So think about it. The more tokens I earn, and as they go up and down in value, I benefit from that. So far, I think I've earned somewhere in the neighborhood of about 24 million Satomas just for it sitting there. But don't put all your eggs in one basket. I would make sure that your portfolio, the vast majority of it, does have gold and silver, just in case the rug is being pulled out from under you, like XRP. If the developers are bailing on XRP, what the heck is wrong with XRP? That's what you have to ask yourself. You guys let me know what you think, huh? What do you think is going on with XRP? Why are developers bailing on them? I guess some people are not all in favor of the New World Order movement. Who knows? That's it for now. Hit the thumbs up button. If you're not a subscriber, please do so, because when you do, it helps out the channel, and I actually do appreciate it. And I'll catch you later. I'm out.